Do you like holiday shopping? Let's get started. Afford. Afford. Examples. I cannot afford a new electric vehicle unless the car dealer offers a huge discount. I cannot afford a new electric vehicle unless the car dealer offers a huge discount. My sister cannot afford to buy a fine necklace from a luxury jewelry shop. My sister cannot afford to buy a fine necklace from a luxury jewelry shop. Accumulative. Accumulative. Examples. Customers with accumulative spending of $1,000 within a month can become a member of the supermarket. Customers with accumulative spending of $1,000 within a month can become a member of the supermarket. If you are our top 100 customers with the highest accumulative spending amount, you can get a special gift. If you are our top 100 customers with the highest accumulative spending amount, you can get a special gift. Bargain. Bargain. Examples. Visiting online outlet mall is one of the great ways to save money for bargain shopping. Visiting online outlet mall is one of the great ways to save money for bargain shopping. I'm a budget-concerned traveler and bought an airline ticket at bargain price. I'm a budget-concerned traveler and bought an airline ticket at bargain price. Clearance. Clearance. Examples. I bought a new coffee machine at a clearance sale. I bought a new coffee machine at a clearance sale. You can find new bedding, furniture and decorations in clearance. You can find new bedding, furniture and decorations in clearance. Discount. Discount. Examples. The night market features rows of stalls offering discount fashion items. The night market features rows of stalls offering discount fashion items. The flash sale offers discount up to 70% off. Please do not miss the chance. The flash sale offers discount up to 70% off. Please do not miss the chance. Irresistible. Irresistible. Examples. It's such an irresistible offer. I finally bought a new smart television. It's such an irresistible offer. I finally bought a new smart television. During the seasonal period, the shopping mall offers irresistible pricing with attractive discounts. During the seasonal period, the shopping mall offers irresistible pricing with attractive discounts. Purchase. Purchase. Examples. I choose to wait until the last minute and finally can purchase discount flight tickets. I choose to wait until the last minute and finally can purchase discount flight tickets. After shopping around, I purchased my first massage chair coming with a variety of massage programs. After shopping around, I purchased my first massage chair coming with a variety of massage programs. Receipt. Receipt. Examples. Please keep the receipt and you can join our lucky draw. Please keep the receipt and you can join our lucky draw. Would you please provide a receipt so that we can arrange a replacement of goods? Would you please provide a receipt so that we can arrange a replacement of goods? Redeem. Redeem. Examples. You can redeem the exceptional rewards through our mobile application. You can redeem the exceptional rewards through our mobile application. Points can be redeemed for the gift certificate of the shopping mall. Points can be redeemed for the gift certificate of the shopping mall. Renowned. Renowned. Examples. The jewelry shop is renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship. The jewelry shop is renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship. I bought a designer handbag from a renowned fashion brand. I bought a designer handbag from a renowned fashion brand. Refund. Refund. Examples. If you're not satisfied with the goods, please contact us within 14 days for a full refund. If you're not satisfied with the goods, please contact us within 14 days for a full refund. I took the mobile phone to the shop and asked for a refund due to its malfunction. I took the mobile phone to the shop and asked for a refund due to its malfunction. Souvenir. Souvenir. Examples. If you spend more than $100 on the clothing, you'll get a souvenir from our shop. If you spend more than $100 on the clothing, you'll get a souvenir from our shop. My mother bought a handmade bag as a souvenir of her trip to Thailand. My mother bought a handmade bag as a souvenir of her trip to Thailand. Limited. Limited. Examples. You can enjoy time-limited privilege offer after applying for membership of our shopping mall. You can enjoy time-limited privilege offer after applying for membership of our shopping mall. The sale of the special edition of sport shoes is limited to 100 only at the online portal. The sale of the special edition of sport shoes is limited to 100 only at the online portal. Steal. Steal. Examples. I bought 10-piece cookware set in the Christmas sale. It was a steal. I bought 10-piece cookware set in the Christmas sale. It was a steal. At Lunar New Year fair, the flower farmers sold flowers at huge discounts after midnight. It was a steal. At Lunar New Year fair, the flower farmers sold flowers at huge discounts after midnight. It was a steal. Warranty. Warranty. Examples. The warranty of the notebook is valid for at least 1 year from your purchase date. The warranty of the notebook is valid for at least 1 year from your purchase date. What's covered in the warranty of the air conditioner? What's covered in the warranty of the air conditioner? Vintage. Vintage. Examples. I love buying vintage furniture which is known for its classic and elegant design. I love buying vintage furniture which is known for its classic and elegant design. I visited a vintage shop that sold second-hand clothes, handbags and scarves. They looked stylish. I visited a vintage shop that sold second-hand clothes, handbags and scarves. They looked stylish.